Hi, welcome to my next video on Azure Fundamentals. Under the topic section, we are going to see 20 questions in 20 minutes time frame. This is a second set of questions under the section Cloud Types. First question, is it true or false? The hybrid cloud is not secure. Option A true, option B false. The right answer for this question is option B. Let's discuss the reason. It's a bit tricky question. Usually, question will be asked by comparing with other models, that is either between public or private or with hybrid. Private is more secured since it is ring fenced and uses only intranet. Next, for hybrid, organization uses their internal servers for sensitive information and regulatory related information for storage and processing of the data. Organizations ensure that they have required security controls which holds all this data. However, in hybrid network, both on-premises servers and a cloud, either public or private, mostly it's public network which are connected and may share the common protocol or the internet, which means it is not ring-fenced security. With that, we can say it is not as safer as compared to the private cloud. However, if you do a comparison between hybrid and public, hybrid is secured by having necessary controls in the servers where the sensitive information is kept. Since we are talking about only one cloud model as part of the question, assuming necessary controls are in place for the secured servers, we have to conclude that hybrid cloud is secure. And so option B is a correct answer. Next question. Which among the following may run out of business or sold? Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud? The right option for this question is option A. Let's see the reason. Public cloud may run out of business or sold to another vendor, and so A is the right answer. The other disadvantages of public cloud are as follows. The, they are number one, security and compliance, ownership, specific scenarios with a unique business requirement, hard to prevent sharing of information, and finally the one whatever we have seen may run out of business or sold. So this is the public cloud is owned by a third party depending upon their financial status and their business growth and their competitors. They may sell the organization to another vendor, and that's why option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which among the following is considered as a single tenancy based model? Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud? The right answer for this question is option B. Let's see the reason. Private cloud is owned by organization or a company. The entire infra is owned and managed by them exclusively, and so it is a single tenant. Public cloud has an ability to host n number of companies, apps, and data together. So it's a multi-tenancy model, and so it is not the correct answer. Similarly, hybrid model have their own infra plus public cloud, and so it is also not the right answer. So the right answer for this question is option B. Next question, true or false? On-premises servers outperform than the cloud servers. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is option B. Let's see the reason. On-premises servers always have a limitation in terms of scalability, agility, and setting up high availability requirement. So they cannot outperform public cloud server always, because using public cloud servers you can achieve maximum scalability, agility, and you can achieve good amount of high availability, or you can meet the high availability situation at any point in time. And so the right answer for this question is option B, that is false. Next question. Your company plans to migrate all its data and resources to Azure. The company migration plan states that only platform as a service, that is PaaS solution, must be used in Azure. You need to deploy an Azure environment that meets the company migration plan. Is it yes or no? Read the first line of the question again. Your company plans to migrate all its data and resources to Azure. That is, let's conclude that the servers containing data need to be migrated to Azure. So the right answer for this question is option A. Let's see the reason. The question refers data and resources. And so PaaS model supports for data and resources directly. And so option A is the right answer. Next question, which among the following is infrastructure as a service, otherwise called as IaaS? Is it AKS, otherwise called as Azure Kubernetes Services, or container, or app service, or virtual machine scale set? The right option for this question is option D. Let's see the reason. VMs or virtual machines are infrastructure as a service because on a VM you can manage what operating system runs and what software is installed. This virtual machine scale set, otherwise called as VMSS, an interesting service offered by Microsoft Azure, which helps in create and manage of set of identical auto-scaling virtual machines. The number of VM instances can be increased or decreased based upon the requirement or scheduled condition. The rest of the items like AKS, container, app service are not the right answer, and so the correct answer for this question is option D. Next question. Dash consists of computing resources used exclusively by users from one business or an organization. Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud? The right answer for this question is option B. Let's see the reason. Private cloud model is the one which is exclusively used by set of users which who belongs to the same company who does a unique job or the business related to the organization. And so option B is the correct answer. Next question. Dash is a type of cloud where cloud resources such as servers and storage are owned and operated by a third party cloud service provider and delivered over internet. Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud? The right answer for this question is option A. Let's see the reason. In public cloud model, all the resources belong to a third party such as Microsoft or Google or Amazon. The resources in the public cloud model will be shared by multiple organizations who runs a variety of business. With that, it is a multi-tenant model. So here, in this type of public cloud, the resources like server and storage are all owned by people like Microsoft or Google or AWS, I mean Amazon, and so the services will be delivered via internet. With that, the right answer for this question is option A. Next question. Dash is a type of cloud where there is no capital expenditure is required to scale up. Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud? The right answer for this question is public cloud. The reason is no upfront investment is required for public cloud. That is, no capital expenditure to acquire and start using the services of public cloud is required. And so option A is the correct answer. Next question. Dash are the services offered over public internet and available to anyone who wants to purchase them. Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud? The right answer for this question is option A, that is public cloud. Let's see the reason. All the resources in public cloud are accessible to the subscribers or users using internet with the required credentials. And so option A is the correct answer, that is public cloud. Next question. Dash is a type of cloud where hardware must be purchased for startup and for continued maintenance. Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud? The right answer for this question is option B, that is private cloud. Let's see the reason. In private cloud model, where organizations or companies need to invest money initially to purchase all hardware such as servers, switches, network and other infra element. With that, they need to spend a considerable amount of capital expenditure initially to set up the cloud environment. And so option B is the right answer. Next question, Dash is a type of cloud where organizations have complete control over resources and security. Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud? The right answer for this question is option B. The reason is private cloud where an organization owns all the resources such as server, routers, switches, networking and other infrastructures. They are all owned exclusively by them and no other organization shares them. And so the right answer for this question is option B. Next question, Dash is a type of cloud where organization determine where to run their application. Is it public cloud or private cloud or the hybrid cloud? The right option is option C, that is hybrid cloud. Let's see the reason. In, in hybrid cloud model, where it is a combination of on-premises infra with the public cloud infra. The organization decide where the app and data need to reside and they have a complete control on this. Sometimes they may decide it should have to be at on-premises or sometimes they may decide that it should have to go as part of the public model. So they have a complete control on that. And so the right answer for this question is option C, that is hybrid cloud. Next question, Dash is a type of cloud where organizations are responsible for hardware maintenance and update. Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud? The right answer for this question is option B, that is private cloud. Let's see the reason. Private cloud where the organization need to take care of maintenance and upgrades of the hardware. Please note that in hybrid cloud, a portion that is only on those resides on the on-premises portion of the on-premises portion that contain hardware need to be maintained by the organization. But here, based upon this question, the right answer is chosen as option B, that is private cloud. Next question, Dash is a type of cloud where organizations are not responsible for hardware maintenance and update. Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud? The right answer for this question is option A, that is public cloud. Let's see the reason. Public cloud where the hardware maintenance upgrades are taken care by the cloud service provider, otherwise called as CSPs. And there is no need for the organization to get into the maintenance and upgrades whoever uses the public cloud. So option A is the right answer for this question. Next question, Dash is a type of cloud where organization controls security, compliance or legal requirements. Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud or both private as well as hybrid cloud? The right answer for this question is option D. Let's see the reason. Security regulatory requirements need to be taken care by the private and hybrid cloud model, where the organization owns those part of the resources that need to be taken care by themselves. And so option D is a right answer. Next question, Dash is a type of cloud which provides more in terms of the flexibility. Is it public cloud or private cloud or hybrid cloud? The right answer for this question is option C, that is hybrid cloud. Let's see the reason. Hybrid cloud model provides flexibility of both public and private cloud models. That is, majority of the pros of public and private cloud models are there in the hybrid cloud model, and so C is the right answer. Next question is 258, that is true or false. In infrastructure as a service, an advantage of this cloud service model is rapid deployment of new compute devices. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is option A. Let's see the reason. Network or storage as well as the servers along with the VMs forms the infrastructure as service. Using infrastructure as a service, new deployment of all devices, that is all hardware, shall be done rapidly. And so option A is the right answer. Next question, true or false? In software as a service, data and access is managed by customer. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is option A, that is true. Let's see the reason. In software as a service, application configuration for access control, configuration of initial data, and owning the data is under the control of the customer. And so option A is the right answer. Next question, true or false? In serverless computing, infrastructure provisioning and management are taken care by the cloud service provider. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is option A, that is true. Let's see the reason. In serverless computing, all hardware maintenance upgrade will be done by the cloud service provider, that is CSP. And so option A is a right answer. With that, I end up today's session. Thank you very much, and I hope this video is helpful for you for your interview as well as exam preparation. If you like this video, please subscribe to get recent updates from my side. And this is not the end of the series. We are going to continue our discussion on this section, that is cloud type, tomorrow also. Again, 20 questions in 20 minutes time. Till then, stay safe. Thank you and bye.